Lantana camara, a threat to Australian ecosystems, presented by Philippa Lonsdale. At first glance, Lantana camara seems harmless. Its vivid flowers brighten roadsides and bush edges, but this seemingly attractive plant is one of Australia's most aggressive invasive species. Since its introduction in the 1840s as a garden ornamental, Lantana has spread across more than 4 million hectares, invading forests, farmland, and riverbanks. Biological characteristics and spread. Lantana camara is a woody, fast-growing shrub native to Central and South America. It's highly adaptive, capable of thriving in a range of environments, especially subtropical and tropical regions with high rainfall. It spreads through vegetative production and seed dispersal, particularly by birds and mammals that eat its fleshy berries. Once established, Lantana forms dense, tangled thickets that shade out and outcompete native plants for light, water, and nutrients. It also produces allelopathic chemicals that inhibit the germination and growth of other plants nearby, giving it a competitive edge. This makes it particularly dangerous in bush regeneration zones. Ecological and economic impacts. Lantana camara has severe ecological consequences. It transforms native ecosystems by altering vegetation structure and reducing plant and animal diversity. Native seedlings often fail to establish under this dense canopy. It also affects fire regimes. The plant adds significant fuel to the understory, making bushfires more intense and frequent, particularly in dry forests. In post-fire environments, Lantana often dominates regrowth, making recovery even harder. For agriculture, Lantana invades pastures and grazing land, reducing productivity. It is also highly toxic to livestock, especially the red-flowered forms, causing photosensitization, liver damage, and death if consumed. Control and management strategies. Because of its resilience and widespread distribution, managing Lantana requires a long-term integrated approach. No single method is effective alone. Mechanical controls such as slashing or pulling can reduce biomass quickly, but must be followed by herbicide application to prevent regrowth. These methods are best done in the wet season when the plant is actively growing. Chemical control using glyphosate or metsulfuron methyl is most effective when applied directly to regrowth or cut stumps. However, non-target damage and resistance risks mean timing and technique are crucial. Biological control has been used in Australia since 1914. Out of the 30+ agents introduced, around 19 are established. These include leaf mining beetles and sap-sucking bugs that reduce vigor, though they rarely eliminate the plant and are climate limited. Best practice is integrated weed management, a combination of mechanical, chemical, and biological methods tailored to site conditions and supported by regular monitoring. Lantana camara continues to threaten native ecosystems, agriculture, and fire safety, but with scientifically informed integrated strategies and community involvement, we can slow its spread and help restore degraded landscapes. You can be part of the solution. Report infestations to your council, join a local landcare group, and choose native plants over exotic species in your garden. Every action helps protect our environment.